Welcome back, third graders, to a new online English lesson with Mr. Ahmed. And today we will have phonics lesson with the name of vowel sound O. O. So I want all of you now to watch carefully and listen well. Leave anything in your hands aside and watch the video, okay? Let's get started. Okay, what vowel sound do you hear in the word draw? Draw. Of course it is O. Draw. O. Say O. And as you say, O and dot above it is the symbol of the sound O. Draw. Okay, now I will say some words. I want all of you now to decide if they have the same sound O or not. Talk, oak, small, all, straw, O, because, O's, because, tote, oat, pot, oat. Do all of them have the same O sound? Of course they have the same sound O, but as you see in draw, O sound can be spelled AW and can be spelled AL, A followed by double L, or A followed by L, A followed by W, O followed by U, or A UGH, O UGH. Okay, all of these patterns can give me the sound O. Can give me, may give me. It's not necessary to give me the same sound O. Sometimes O UGH give me like enough, so it's not necessary, but it's an option. They may give me the sound O. Okay, now let's make a rule for O sound. The vowel sound O can be spelled A followed by L, or A followed by double L, or A followed by U or W. So A with one of these, okay, can give me sound O. A followed by one of these, okay, or AGH, OUGH, and followed by T. Okay, all these patterns can give me the sound O. Okay, and now we will watch a video to know how to produce the sound O in our mouth. Watch well, okay?
How to make the sound. Open your mouth and let air flow from your mouth.
Okay, as you see, open your mouth. Don't open your mouth widely to give the sound O. So if you open the mouth widely, it will be long O, as in go, no. It's one different from this one, okay? So keep your mouth open, but not very wide or closed, okay? Just something half in between. Also, the tongue is in the middle position and the air is coming from the back. O. You can try it. O. Okay?
To make the ah sound, as in sauce and hawk. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It moved or vibrated. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letters AU, AW, and make the ah sound. Click on the letter that makes the ah sound. Draw. Click on the letter that makes the ah sound. Lawn.
Okay, now let's talk about O. Can be spelled AW. AW give me the sound O, like lawn, lawn, own. Lawn is the grass in our house or park. Okay, for example, we will mow the lawn in the weekend. Mow the lawn means to cut the lawn using a mower, a cutting machine for grass. Okay, shawl, shawl. Shawl is a piece of dress for women. Okay, she is wearing a brown shawl. Shawl. Next, AU giving me sound O, like because, cause. I didn't go to school because I was ill. Because. Sausage, 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 sausage. Okay, do you like it? I would like to eat sausage. Okay, faucet, faucet, faucet. Don't leave the faucet open, not to waste water. Okay, and now we are going to watch another video. Watch carefully of AL and ALL.
Hello, welcome to Mr. Thorn's Phonics. My name is Mr. Thorn, and today I have got the AL graphemes for you. Now they make the OR sound in some words. OR.
Can you see? The lips aren't wide open. It's just something half in between, not closed and not widely open. Also the tongue is in the middle, not high or not low, just in the middle, and the air is coming from the back, okay, and to outside.
And they also make the all sound in some words. All, all, all. And here are those sounds in words for you. Talk, talk, chalk, stalk. Okay, so those were three words where you could hear the AL as an OR sound. Here are some words which feature the AL as the ALL sound. Call, tall, A's, always. Here are some more. Press pause now for some thinking time. Walk, fall, wall, salt.
Okay, now A followed by L can give me O sound, like talk. I talked to my dad about my new teacher. Walk. It's good to walk 15 minutes every day. Walnut. What's walnut? This one. Eating walnut is useful for memory. Always or always, okay? I always play football Fridays, so always means regularly. Every time in Friday I do the same, okay? Let's have A double L to give me O, O, like small, small, all. Wow, it's a small cat. Tall, tall, all. Giraffe is very tall animal. It is the tallest. Call. Call me back when you are free, because you aren't now, because you are busy now. Alright. So as you see, A followed by double L can give me sound O. Also we had A followed by L can give me O sound. Now we are going to watch the last video for today. Pay attention and listen carefully.
To be learning about the A-U-G-H and the O-U-G-H. Sometimes when A-U-G-H and O-U-G-H are together, the sound is aw, like in the word the ought and straw. We're going to go ahead and read some other words with the same sounds. Ought, thought. The O-U-G-H is saying aw.
As you see, O-U-G-H and followed by T, because O-U-G-H sometimes give me the sound ah, as in enough. So in most cases we can find the T after O-U-G-H. So in this case it can give me the sound O, O, as in draw.
Thought. I thought the roller coaster was fun. Thought. Bought. Notice again the O-U-G-H says aw. Bought. I bought groceries yesterday. Bought. Bought. They fought over the teddy bear. Bought. Brought. Who brought the cookies for snack? Brought. Caught. Instead of an O, it's an A this time. A-U-G-H saying aw. Ought. Caught. She caught the ball to win the game. Taught. He taught us how to play basketball. Taught.
T. Okay.
Naughty. The dog was naughty and got into the garbage. Naughty. Daughter. The mom and her daughter went shopping for a new doll. Daughter. Go ahead and complete your circle map.
Okay. Now A-U-G-H to give me the sound O, like dough, daughter. Sarah has got 2 daughters. Coat. Sammy caught a fish in the lake. I forgot to write the word lake, okay? Toad. My teacher told me to pray. Okay, now let's have O-U-G-H to give me sound O, like boat. out. As you see, all of them are followed by T. We bought a new car. Okay, Ali brought his book, and the two fish fight or fought in the past simple for a fish. Okay, fought is the past symbol of fight, brought past symbol of bring, bought past symbol of buy. Let's go ahead. Okay, let's make a summary of what we had today. O sound as in draw. Okay, all these patterns can give me O sound. A followed by L, double L, U and W, as in walk, talk. Okay, as in small, tall, coal, as in faucet, sausage. Because AW as in a draw, so and so on. AGH and OGH followed by T, as in tote, fought, coat. Okay, and naughty and daughter. Right, as you see, I collected the A with L, double L, U, W and AGH, OGH together to help you memorize them, to remember them easily. Okay. Alright, a note before we go. The AL, when it's followed by K, like talk, the L will be silent. Talk, walk. Okay. If it's followed by another L, it will be tall, wall. Okay, it's okay. Also, AW, in most cases, it comes at the end of the word. Okay, but the AU comes in the middle in most cases. Okay. Alright, AUGH, OUGH, this one at the end. Okay, this one can be in the middle. Okay, it's okay. It's not necessary to come at the end or in the middle, but I'm talking about most cases. Okay, that's for today. It's enough. Great job, champions. I hope all of you understood today's lesson. And your turn now. Homework page 338 in the reader's writer's notebook. Okay, note, don't do number 5 in this page. Why? Because it is not following our rule for today. It's the word palm tree. Okay, thank you for watching me, Mr. Ahmed, and till we meet again, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.